First question. What inspired you to be a professor?
Well, I would like to impart the knowledge given by God to the next generation.
Second question. How do you inspire and motivate your students?
Well, first, citing some true cases and using myself as an example. What things I went well, what things that I went through, and hopefully the students can learn from it.
Third question. What do you do to prepare for certain lessons in class?
Well, my standard is read most of the lessons at night, prepared likewise at night. Early morning, I prepare my PowerPoint presentation.
Question number 4. When you meet an obstacle or problem in class, how do you resolve it?
Well, at first, I have to process it with the students. If we cannot resolve it, we will resolve it in the faculty. We don't force the issue.
Thank you, sir.
Okay? Thank you.